Are you a beginner and want to start making money with AI? Good news! You do not need experience, and you do not need to be a tech expert. In this video, I will show you 5 AI websites that can help you make money online, even if you are just starting out. Let's get started. First, Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing website where people pay for services. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT to offer services such as content writing, script writing, social media posts, and resume writing. Simply create a gig, let AI help you do the work, and get paid. Many beginners are making $5 to $100 per task using this method. Second, Upwork. Upwork is another freelancing platform where businesses look for freelancers. You can use AI to offer blog writing, AI voiceover scripts, product descriptions, and email writing. Create a simple profile, apply for jobs, and start earning online. Third, Canva. Canva now has powerful AI tools that help you create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, logos, and presentations. You can create designs using AI and sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, or even social media. This is one of the easiest ways beginners are making money with AI. Fourth, Pictory AI. Pictory helps you create videos automatically using AI. You can turn scripts into videos, create YouTube content, or make videos for businesses. Then sell your videos to YouTube creators, businesses, and social media pages. Many people charge $20 to $100 per video. Fifth, Copy.ai. Copy.ai helps you generate blog posts, ads, product descriptions, and marketing content. You can use Copy.ai to create content for clients and get paid. This is perfect if you want to make money with AI writing. AI is changing everything, and beginners are making money every day. Pick one website, start small, and stay consistent. If you want more AI money ideas, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next video.